continuous learning is what we are doing for the rest of the year, I wanted to talk to you about my expectations for language arts. So there are 3 things that I expect of you each week in language arts. Number 1, you need to be independently reading. I expect that you are reading 45 to 60 minutes, at least Monday through Friday. At any point, if you run out of books and you're unable to get a new book, please message me in Schoology or feel free to text me. I've included my cell phone number below. The second thing that I expect of you is that you are engaging in the reading and writing activities that I'm posting in Schoology. The first few weeks of continuous learning, those activities really were optional. At this point, this is your learning, so it's important that you're doing that work. The third expectation I have is that you're completing the reading response. So one of the activities that I'll post each week in Schoology is a reading response. That is set up as an assignment. And this is your opportunity to really share with me what you're reading and what you're thinking about your reading. So please make time to do your reading response each week. So let me walk you through how you'll figure out what you need to do each week for language arts. So when you come to our homepage in Schoology, you're going to see 2 folders. You're going to see one folder titled Continuous Learning and the second titled Previous Units. Previous Units is everything else that we've done this year, so you can ignore that folder. You're going to jump into the Continuous Learning folder. Once you're there, you're going to see 3 folders. The first is Independent Reading Resources. This folder just houses the directions for how to sign up for Libby if you haven't done so already. The second folder is titled Previous Weeks. This is going to have all the previous weeks in it, so you actually can really ignore that. I want you to focus on this current week. So every week, I promise to post on Sunday night all of the activities for that week, so you really can plan ahead. I will also include this little simple checklist with your goals for that week. So for example, for the week of April 20th through the 24th, your goals are to read 45 to 60 minutes every day, to complete the activity responding to poetry, the activity writing poetry, and the assignment reading response. So if you click into that folder, you'll actually find those activities. Let me click into one of those activities so you can see what that's going to look like. Most of the activities, I will have a lesson for you, directions, examples, and then the rubric if it's an assignment. So this is your reading response assignment for this week. I can't show you because I'm a teacher, but you will click submit right here to complete that assignment. And you can either upload a Word document or click create and type it directly into Schoology. The other place that you can go to find out what I expect of you each week is in the calendar. So if you click up here into the calendar, what you're going to see, you actually should see this for each of your classes. So let's scroll down to the 20th through the 24th. You're going to see a calendar entry that spans the entire week titled Language Arts. I have 4 classes, so that's why I have 4. So you should just have one that is titled Language Arts, but hopefully your other teachers will start to do this as well. So you're going to click on that and you will see those same goals for that week. This is also where, if we are having a Teams meeting that week, I will post the link to join that meeting in this calendar entry. I will also post the link on the actual day in a calendar entry. So if you're wondering when our Teams meetings are, we don't have one this next coming week. So I will let you know when our next one is by posting it in the calendar. I probably will also send you a message on Schoology for that. Okay, so it's just a quick reminder. If you are looking for the activities in Schoology that you need to complete that coming week, please go to our Schoology page, click on the Continuous Learning folder, and then you're going to find a quick checklist in the description of that week's folder. That week's folder should be titled The Dates for That Week. All the activities that you need to complete are in that folder, and I promise to keep it really short and simple. You can complete these activities at any point throughout the week. Okay, enjoy. Get started on these activities for this next week.